Hi guys, good morning. It's another week and welcome to this new vlog. So today is our last day for internal nursing practical training. Like I said, I wasn't around last week, so I'll be having double shifts this week. Guys, I need new classmates. So anyways, welcome to this vlog. It's going to be all about this week, my making up class for practical training and exam vlog. Guys, we have 3 exams back to back next week, and like they are like mind-blowing courses: pharmacology, internal nursing, and pediatric nursing. So stay tuned to the channel.
Yes, subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Oh, meanwhile, I haven't done proper introduction, so I'm not going to start with them. Actually, I'm going to start with our nurse tutor. So this is our nurse tutor. Hi. Meet nurse Sandra. She's so nice, she's so cool, and she's beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Badna. Bazomon. What's your name?
My name is Nostina.
Nostina. Okay, meet Nostina.
No, Sandra too. Sandra.
Behind, who is there?
Nersoli.
Miss Peace. Hi, that's great. Do you know this?
So guys, I'll see you some other time. So guys, I just finished my makeup. What should I call it? It's not a makeup class. So I literally just finished making up for one of my absences at the Department of Gastroenterology. So with my friend, she also missed 3 classes. So I mean 3 shifts. So we are going to be doing this together today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. So we are done for today and we're going home.
3 points. It will drop your stuff.
We are here today again. Sorry. Okay, the new partner is here.
So,
Break is over.
We're going inside.
Say hi.
I'm not sure. Why am I
You can join.
You can join.
That's video though.
My baby. So guys, I just ended today's shift, and let me say it has not ended because we are presently having seminar, but I can't stay back. Like, I can't wait anymore. It's time for me to pick my baby up at the kindergarten, and in fact I think I'm running late already. Jeez, look at the bus I was supposed to pick. So I'm running late already. Like, this is always the problem I face. It's always like this, guys, especially in my first year. Like, I was always on the run. Always in the morning I'm running to drop my baby at the school, running to come to class, or running to come for a shift, and then in the evening I'm running to go pick her up. Like, guys, it's really crazy. Like, it's not for the faint-hearted, but we move, right? It's ending soon, so I'm just going to pick Michelle now. We'll go home, we'll eat. I have a presentation tomorrow, and on Friday I have another class, and then next week exam week. Let's see how it goes. Stop now. I'm waiting for the next bus. You should be here in like, I think 2 minutes. So I'm just waiting. Finally, the bus is here. I just got to Michelle's school now, and it's funny how it's not snowing, but it's super cold. Like, it's freezing. When it snows, like, it's cold, right? But it's not, I don't know. I think you can still tolerate it, but this one, it's just annoying. Let me just pick me. Let's go home and eat and rest. My baby, dzień dobry. My baby. How are you today? I missed you. Okay, let's dress up, right? Okay, baby, let's go. Do widzenia. I'm behind you, just go. I'm right behind you. Yes. Today's Thursday, half presentation today, like always a rush as usual. So I'm just at the building now. I'm heading on to the room for the seminar and presentation and all that, and I dropped me up at the kindergarten earlier. They not pay, no, room 5, I think they said room 5. Okay, so let's come, let's enter. It's bright. We're done with presentation for Tina. Don't close that thing, no. See my partner of life.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, find it. Okay. Thank you. Does it taste nice? Is it okay? Okay. Hi guys, good morning. It's another week. And yes, Michelle. Okay. And I'm going to the hospital today again, guys. So crazy. I wasn't supposed to like do anything this week because we have exams on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But I got a call on Friday evening. The rep called me. Michelle, stop it now. The rep called me, the class rep, and then she said the teacher called her and told her that I would be able to write my exam, which is on Thursday, because I have to make up. Because I have to make up for my absence or absences. Yes, not one, absences during the practical training in December. And yes, I was absent for a couple of days because Mimi had flu. She caught flu in December, and 2 days after, of course, we lived in the same room. 2 days after, I like caught flu as well, so I couldn't like go to the hospital. We were having practical training at pediatric oncology then, and there is absolutely no way I can like go and continue my practical training then. So I got like a doctor's report on the very last day of the practical training I was around. She mentioned the names of those that like will be making up for their absences, like for their shifts, and she didn't mention my name, so I didn't even know anything. I mean, I would have done this way before now, until she like told me on Friday, and I have to make up for like that today and tomorrow, because I think it's about 4 shifts, and I have to do morning and afternoon today, morning and afternoon tomorrow. Like, it's really crazy here in this school. Stop now. Okay, so in my first year, I didn't like miss any classes or any shifts at all. The only time I had to make up for any like absences was because I resumed like 3 weeks after lectures had started, and I had to make up for that 3 weeks. So if you intend to come to Medical University of Gdansk, just have it at the back of your mind that whatever absences you get, like, you have to make up for them. And if you're absent for more than 2 classes without like any valid reason, you won't be allowed like to take your exams. Like I know some people that won't be taking some of the exams with us now, and they will have to take it again next year, which is like additional cost and time, because they will have to be available for that class as well, and then be available for the class we'll be having in our third year. If you intend to come to MUG, just like have this at the back of your mind. If you want to apply ASAP, resume early, and don't miss your classes. Like, just let it go. So honestly, if I had known, because I've never missed any shift before, if I had known that I was going to make up for these shifts that I missed, or if the teacher like had mentioned my name, like I would have done this like since December. But right now, I don't have a choice. So I'm heading over to drop Michelle at kindergarten first, and then from there I'll go. Michelle. Guys, I'm at the hospital. I just changed to the cloakroom, and everywhere is so free. Back in December, a lot of us were having practical training: Polish division, English division, medicine, nursing, pharmacy. But here, I can even hear my voice. So, I have a bottle of water here with me. I just grabbed it. And let me see how it goes. So guys, I'm on break. I didn't bring anything to eat anyway, so I'll just, I brought my book. I'm just going to study for a while. It's about 30 minutes break, so that's it. So guys, I'm done for today. I was released early, but it's not like I didn't do anything. In fact, they used me very well. But I was released early, so I just want to pick up some things at the grocery store for Mimi. Our wafers and yogurt has finished, and I want to buy potatoes too. So that's it, guys. Guys, I just remembered I want to print my ticket. I have a trip next week, so I'm at Kisaro. Hi guys, good morning. Today is exam day, and I'm in a boat this right now. What happened? So I ordered a boat ride because I don't want to be late, so I want to drop Mimi first. Mimi was just doing anyhow this morning. Honestly, I was like so early, but she was just doing anyhow. So there's actually a shortcut behind Mimi's school, but seriously, I've not passed that place before, and I don't want to risk it. So I just booked a ride like to and fro, because the exam venue is like very close to the student dorm. So let's go. So guys, I'm done with the exam. I'm done, and I'm going back to my room. I'll just pick my jacket now and go. Hi guys, good day. Is the second day of exam, like I think 10 minutes before 11 a.m. So we are here. Classmates are here too. I'm just waiting for the door to be open. Let's do this shit and get out. Are you ready for the exam?
No, I'm not.
Are you ready for the exam? Are you ready for the exam? Are you ready? Pops is ready. Soli, are you ready? Eche, are you ready? So we are just waiting and let's see how it goes. Hi guys. So we are done with exams now and we have all the time to ourselves again. So I'm on my way now to pick Michelle from the kindergarten and we can rest and enjoy our weekend. No more studying for now. Anyways, I'm going to end this vlog here and I'll see you guys in another one. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.
Yes.
Bye bye. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye bye.